Simple hemorrhoids home treatment remedies. 1. Cumin seeds and coriander seeds for bleeding hemorrhoids. Steam 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, aniseed and coriander seeds in 250 milliliters of water. Once the water level lowers to 50%, strain and blend 1 teaspoon of clarified butter and drink it. This is beneficial for bleeding hemorrhoids as well as pregnant women having this issue. 2. Psyllium seeds, plant Avada, also helps fight hemorrhoids. Research has shown that over 83% of hemorrhoid patients that used psyllium had significant improvement, less pain, irritation, discomfort and bleeding on defecation. Psyllium can also help constipation, therefore take 4 to 10 teaspoons of psyllium seeds daily. For simplicity, you may also try a commercial product which is produced with psyllium seeds. Should you use psyllium, don't forget to drink plenty of fluids, a minimum of 8 glasses of water each day. 3. Mustard oil with water can relieve hemorrhoids pain. If the hemorrhoids are very painful, take some mustard oil on your palm, mix with small amount of water, and apply it on the hemorrhoids right after passing stools. This should overcome hemorrhoids pain. 4. Use aloe juice. Aloe vera gel is astringent and assists cure hemorrhoids fast. Use this externally on the rectal area, and when absorbed, the gel is an effective laxative. Or you can drink half cup of aloe juice thrice a day. You can purchase aloe juice from health food stores, nevertheless don't attempt to prepare your own aloe juice. 5. Eat carrots often. Eating raw carrots or drinking carrot juice heals hemorrhoids fast. Also, you can mix carrot juice and spinach by adding 3 parts of carrots and 1 part of spinach. This recipe has known to cure hemorrhoids. 6. Mango, curd and ginger. Blend 1/2 cup of sweet mango juice along with 25 grams of curd plus 1 teaspoon of ginger juice, and drink it. Consume it 3 times a day. This also can help you cure hemorrhoids. 7. Eating uncooked radish can stop hemorrhoidal bleeding. Blend 1 cup of radish juice with 1 teaspoon of clarified butter, mix well and take in 2 times a day, morning and evening. This formula is effective for both bleeding as well as non-bleeding hemorrhoids. Slice 1 white radish into pieces, add some salt, and place it overnight in a humid open place. Eat it upon waking before eating anything. After passing the stools, wash the anus with water and then with radish juice. 8. Lemon in hot milk. As for bleeding piles, squeeze about a half lemon into hot milk and drink right away. Repeat the process in every 3 hours. 9. Dried gooseberries in milk. Alternatively, grind dried gooseberries into powder and mix 1 teaspoon of this with buttermilk and take in the morning and evening.